Cathedral. Kaya tara na ka-paborito sa Ice Cream House Coffee. Also available, wholesale price for retailers. Let's beat the summer heat at Ice Cream House Coffee. This is DWJE 88.1 FM Radio Pangasinan, whose sole mission is to inform, to educate, to entertain, delivering to all Pangasinenses news that is true, public service that is sincere, commentary that is fair, and entertainment that is proudly Pangasinense. This is your DWJE 88.1 FM Radio Pangasinan, going beyond just being number one, working towards total domination.
Jad Dagupan, walay saksakay ang radio station ya iyayag nasaray Dagupenyo. Jad Bunuan Binlok.
Paborito.